Did you know mushrooms are more than just a tasty ingredient? They are backed by science as a nutritional powerhouse. Let's break down the key findings from some groundbreaking studies. First up, your brain. A 2019 study from the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease followed adults in Singapore and found that eating just 2 portions of cooked mushrooms weekly reduced the risk of mild cognitive impairment by 50%. The magic lies in ergothioneine, a unique antioxidant found in mushroom protecting brain cells. Now let's talk cancer. A 2021 meta-analysis published in Advances in Nutrition reviewed 17 studies and found that eating just 18 grams of mushroom, just a handful, can lower cancer risk by 45%. Again, thanks to antioxidants such as ergothioneine and glutathione, which reduce oxidative stress and cellular damage. Mushrooms also benefit your heart and immune system. In a 2022 study published in the Food and Function journal, mushrooms are found to be rich in selenium and vitamin D, reducing inflammation and boosting immunity. For heart health, shiitake mushrooms contain compounds that also have been shown to lower cholesterol levels, protecting against heart disease. And here's the most compelling statistic. A 2021 meta-analysis involving 600,000 plus participants found that regular mushroom consumption significantly reduces all-cause mortality. That's right, eating mushrooms may help you live longer, from protecting your brain to fighting cancer, boosting longevity. Mushrooms are truly a superfood. Backed by decades of research, they are easy and delicious and support our health. I thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and begin your own journey to health and happiness. See you next time. Thank you.